From carpentry age, stone age, bronze age to iron age, choose development, pushing human beings and society's progress all the time. In 1898, American people F.W. Taylor and Mr. White developed high-speed steels, which led metal cutting's revolution. In 1925, German people K. Schultier invented cemented carbide. The metal cutting revolution with the beginning of high-speed steels got finished. Today, cutting tools and materials development have gotten quite different as before. The ultimate changes of metal cutting technology have already taken place when we enter the 21st century. The flexible CNC machine with a high power and high speed was widely used in machining industry. At the popular machining way of present age, high efficiency and high precision have become very important, especially in automobile industry, which pursue durative stability, high-performance materials application, and economic production. Without doubt, as the most important role in metal cutting industry, cutting tools technology indicates the machining level, production efficiency, and cost. As a run of 50 years experience of cemented carbide cutting tools development in Zhuzhou Cemented Carbide Works Corporation Limited. Zhuzhou Cemented Carbide Cutting Tools Corporation Limited, ZCC CT's development is Chinese manufacturing development reduction and witness. ZCC CT focuses on satisfy and improve Chinese manufacturing demands with its continual research and development all the time. That makes ZCC CT formed trusted and honest partners with engineering enterprises, and it becomes domestic biggest provider of committed carbide cutting tools and built up its own special brand. This brand stands for not only cutting tools quantity, but also its good service, such as difficult process problem solved, improved machine efficiency and quality, provides the ultimate metal working solutions with a total commitment, etc., extending the influence of the ZCC brand. In 2006, ZCC CT developed its black diamond inserts for machining steel and alloy materials. The combination of fibrous TICN and close-grain A1203 increases enormously abrasion resistance and anti-tipping. It provides another new instrument for high-speed and high-efficiency machining steel and alloy materials in modern machine industry. Black diamond inserts for machining steel materials is suitable for finishing and semi-finishing machining compared with old grade. The cutting speed can increase more than 25% and life will be improved more than 30% at the same cutting speed. Black diamond inserts takes advanced surface treatment techniques, improves surface finish, reduces the bonding between insets and workpiece material, decreases cutting force effectively, and promotes stability enormously. In 2005, ZCC CT developed black diamond inserts for machining cast iron. It indicated the cameo machining cast iron with high speed and thick A1203 CVD coating techniques. Black diamond inserts provides new guarantee for nodular cast iron and green cast iron at high speeds under dry conditions. See the black diamond inserts. Their speed can be improved by 30% to 40%, and the life will be improved by 40% to 50%. in 2006, ZCC CT brought new nano coating new grade for machining stainless steel. It is a combination of high-performance ALTIN coating and ultra-fine carbide substrate of high strength and toughness. It possesses the higher thermal and chemical stability and displays excellent wear resistance, abrasive and cohesion for turning of stainless steel from finishing to semi-finishing and milling of stainless steel from light to medium load. Nanostructure PVD coating techniques makes the inserts have smoother coating surface, results in less friction and easier flowing of chip, and ensures higher toughness, hardness, and binding force to substrate. Outstanding thermal and chemical stability of coating offer effective protection to the cutting edge. The nano coating sets for machining high-temperature alloys specially for modern times. High-temperature alloys machine with its high-performance nano coating techniques and advanced chip breaker structures. It is widely used in aviation, space flight, and energy sources industry, etc. According to the necessary of market, ZCC CT developed D-series special chip breaker which has advanced 3D structure and a standard negative rake angle. It can satisfy modern machining from rifling to finishing. DR chip breaker with high toughness cutting edge can satisfy serious round machining conditions. DM chip breaker with wider rake face and island shape. It is suitable for steel and stainless steel materials machining from semi-finishing to finishing with its wide cutting zone. DF chip breaker with special angle design can make cut easily, get good control chip and good surface quality. It is suitable for finishing machining steel materials. In order to satisfy more kinds of machining situation, ZCC CT developed H-series special chip breaker with advanced 3D structure and standard negative rake angle. It can be used for internal turning from semi-finishing to finishing and machining inner holes from writing to finishing. HR chip breaker with top cutting edge used for rifling machining of inner hole and intermediate machining. HM chip breaker with sharp good cutting edge. It is a first choice for semi-finishing machining of inner hole. HF chip breaker with protuberating shape, used for finishing machining inner hole and fine finishing surface.